Good Tuesday, everyone. Looking at our USA mortgage level of concern, we're still level 1. So it's not a meteorologist marked weather alert day. Remember, that starts at level 2. So we are looking for mostly non severe showers and thunderstorms. Can never rule out an isolated strong storm, but widespread severe weather is certainly not expected. Premier Generators bringing us our threat graphic, and just all day today, an isolated strong, possibly briefly severe, but that's looking very, very minimal as a threat. But heavy rainfall is a threat. So flooding is a low concern risk. So if you get a heavy downpour, just be careful if you're out and about driving because water can accumulate on those roadways rather quickly, especially in the construction sites. So be very careful through those. Looking at our Clearview Closet and Blind 5-day forecast, 90% chance for showers and thunderstorms for you Tuesday. You're going to get wet today. So I was around 70. Wednesday and Thursday, a 50-50 shot for showers and thunderstorms, especially in the warmth of the afternoon and evening. That's when instability builds the most. So if you have morning activities, morning activities, then you're probably going to be okay. But there's still a threat hanging over you, but not as much as in the afternoon. Let's say there's like a 30% chance in the morning, 50% chance in the afternoon and evening. Highs in the mid 70s each day, almost carbon copies of each other. Friday, rain chances tick back up again as another system passes through. That kicks our rain chances up to 70%. And then Saturday is looking partly cloudy. So right now the weekend is looking good, but that could change. So stay tuned. I'll keep fine tuning that as we get closer to that part of the forecast. So your hay weather forecast is just terrible. Bad today, bad tomorrow, bad Thursday, bad Friday. Then Saturday, it looks good. And looking ahead beyond that, I'm feeling pretty optimistic. So those of you who are needing to get your hay done, I know that grass is getting taller every day. Just hang in there. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. Looking at our threats just today, looking for a strong storm flash flooding. I had highlighted tomorrow, but there is a risk tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday that any storm that develops could be strong, but it's just not enough to highlight on here. And we're certainly not being highlighted by any threats by the Storm Prediction Center or anyone else, and I don't see it either. So I don't see anything even next week. So stay tuned. Things can change, but quickly this time of the year. But so far, so good. Sunday begins hurricane season. Isn't that hard to believe? On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramwell Travel, 1896, a massive tornado hit St. Louis, Missouri. You know, they got hit, what, a couple of weeks ago or so? Nothing like they did on this day in 1896. Over 300 people killed. It's a short path, but through a densely populated area. So that's a bad combination. Look at that. It pierced a 5/8 inch thick iron sheet with a 2 by 4 inch pine plank. How do you do that? 1973, Crossville measures almost 6 1/3 inches of rainfall, the greatest one-day rainfall ever. You folks have a wonderful Tuesday. Keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.